Function with dictionaries is optional arguments, Python. I'm trying to create a function that might receive as input many or a few dictionaries. I'm using the following code. Note that I'm trying to equal the arguments dict3, dict4, dict5 and so on to true, so when they are not specified and are called in the function nothing happens. However, I'm getting the following error. Anyone to enlighten my journey available?
Using arbitrary argument list, the function can be called with an arbitrary number of arguments.
You should try the arg syntax. Then you can call the function with as many arguments as you like. A function with args could be as following. This will print.
Here is Python 3.x answer based on it false true answer and using the operator dot and underscore function.
You can use the following code to initial those parameters within the function.
This